Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Yesterday I had Korean chicken. Today I've got Catalan chicken. New from Asda. Meal for one, Catalan style chicken and chorizo stew with potatoes. And here's what it looks like. It looks really good and smells good as well. Potatoes are very yellow. I noticed that before I cooked it. And I think that's probably the spices in there made them yellow. I don't know, we'll find out. And as you can see, I've got a bit of bread and butter on the side, which I quite often do with any sort of meal that's got a sauce with it, like this. I very often have a slice of bread and butter on the side to mop it all up with. Right, this was $2.50. Tender roasted chicken breast in a rich tomato, chorizo and butterbean sauce with diced potatoes. And the traffic light system, you've got an amber, 2 greens and a red. If you can see that. There you go. And there's your ingredients and your nutrition, if you can see that. There you go. Right, what else can I tell you about this? 20% potatoes, 17% roasted chicken breast pieces. So it's proper chicken breast, it's not reformed stuff. Tomatoes, red peppers, butter beans are 8%, chorizo's 3%. Paprika. What's made those potatoes yellow? That's what I'm wondering. Is it the paprika? No, that'd make them red, wouldn't it? I don't know. Something in there has made them yellow. I thought they might have been sweet potato at first, but they're not. They're just ordinary potatoes. Yeah, nothing else I can tell you about that really. Did this in the microwave. Took 5 minutes, stirring halfway through. The smell coming off it is very tomatoey and peppery. Those are red peppers, aren't they? Let's have another look at these ingredients. Red peppers? Yeah, red peppers. Yeah, it's very tomatoey, paprika-y, red peppery. Yeah, it smells really nice. Right, I've already cut one of these bits of chicken in half so I can show you. But I'm going to try a potato first. The fork went into that really nicely. I'm hoping these are really going to be a really good consistency. All those potatoes are lovely. The consistency is absolutely spot on. It really is. And they taste like potatoes. They're really, really nice. They really are. Right. Butter beans. Spotted a couple of them here. See what they're like. A little firm for my liking, but it's not really a problem. There's the chicken. Lovely white chicken breast meat. Again, that is absolutely spot on. That's lovely. Right, let's try and get a load of this sauce as well. There we go. Load of the sauce with the potato. It's very simple. It's not spicy. I'm not really picking up the chorizo, I have to say. I'm really not. Actually, I say it wasn't spicy. There's a little bit of spice there, but nothing much. Tomatoey, red peppery. The consistency of the potatoes and the chicken is absolutely spot on. I really like it. The only thing I will say is Yeah, it needs a bit of seasoning. It really does. In fact, I'm going to put some salt and some pepper on this. It's not too bad on the seasoning front, it really isn't. But I've no doubt a bit of salt and pepper, well, quite a lot of pepper came out there. I'll give that a bit of a mix. Yeah, I've no doubt salt and pepper will help it along enormously. Right, let's add a good mix up. Let's see what it's like now. Butter bean, potato sauce. There we go. That's helped it a lot. Yeah, I really like that. I really do. As I said, it's very simple. It's not earth-shattering. You know, you won't taste it and think, oh, wow, that's incredible. Because I'm not thinking that. But having said that, sometimes simple food really hits the spot, doesn't it? And believe me, that does. That's really nice. I'd definitely have that again. Definitely worth £2.50. Definitely recommend it. He said, waving his fork around it in a very strange way. Right. So, Asda meal for one. Catalan style chicken and chorizo stew with potatoes. Can't taste the chorizo, but that doesn't really matter. Chicken and potatoes. The texture is absolutely spot on. Taste is really good. Very simple, but very tasty and very enjoyable. I'm going to go and really enjoy that with my slice of bread and butter. I've had a few from this range now, haven't I? I've had the Peruvian curry, which was excellent. I had the jerk chicken, which wasn't excellent. And I've had this. So far, this and the Peruvian curry I'll definitely have again. What will I have next? Wait and see. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.